Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and server. This is the fastest fix. Log into Mt5 and check the account type. Live accounts must be enabled by your broker. Once done, verify server name and password. Wrong server often shows trading disabled. Make sure your balance and margin aren't preventing orders, since brokers can block trading on margin calls. If the platform shows connection issues, restart Mt5 and re-enter credentials before proceeding to platform settings. Next, address platform-level causes that block trading. Open Tools' right arrow options and enable manual trading and automated orders. This controls whether Mt5 sends trade requests. Then go to Market Watch and re-enable the symbol you need, because disabled symbols prevent orders. Once that is set, confirm the chart uses the exact symbol suffix your broker uses. Mismatches look active but deny trades. Finally, remove custom indicators or templates temporarily, since a script can override trade permissions, and then try a test order. To finish, recreate a clean connection and perform a live test. Use file right arrow login to trade account, pick the correct server, and re-enter credentials to force a fresh handshake. Once connected, place a small market order so you can capture any error codes or messages. That tells you why trading is denied. If trades remain disabled, contact your broker with your account ID and the exact error text. This speeds resolution. A final tip: clear Mt5 cache or reinstall if corrupt files persist. That often fixes hidden issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.